What's up guys? Hope you're in a good condition and good mood. Keep happy and healthy. Now, Howdonesia want to share how to make special jumbo money bouquet. As we know, 75,000 rupiah is new denomination that has been released in 220 to celebrate 75 years of Indonesia Independence Day. So, this denomination has become a collectible item. We will arrange 50 sheets of money. So, why we think it's special bouquet? Without any further ado, let's check the video. First thing first, let's prepare the money. If you change your money at the bank, you will get special plastic like this. Insert all the 50 sheets of money onto the plastic sheet. Prepare satin sticks and glue it. You can free choose whatever side that you want to glue it. Prepare floral foam. We use wet type of floral foam. If you use fresh flower in your arrangement, it's the best choice to use wet type floral foam. Just put the floral foam at the water, let them drown, and you're ready to go. If the satin stick is not long enough, you can add another satin stick, so it will give more length. It will be better if you glue the stick with the glue gun, so it doesn't easily break. Look at this! This is the back view of this arrangement. Now, we add the dry flower. If you want the bouquet will stand for the last, dry flower is the best option because it never withered. So you can stand the bouquet in your room as long as you want. Again, if you think the dry flower is not long enough, you can add satin stick and glue it with glue gun. Okay guys, this is the final composition. Then it's ready to wrap with cellophane paper. Oh, it looks mambo jumbo. Having a big size, it means you should need a nice handle to grab the bouquet. So if you need more length, just add satin stick. Then cover the extension by using newspaper like this. It will give you more volume and more grip. For the front side, we add wet Spunbond to make it more volume. For the main wrapping, we use cellophane paper. But you can use another type of paper, so you can adjust that match with your leek. We use white color cellophane to make it feel contrast. In this bouquet, we use more cellophane paper than usually, so make sure that you take attention to it. If you're asking how much do you use the paper, we use 6 to 7 sheets of cellophane paper. Wow! But you might need extra sheets of paper for backup, especially if you have first time make a bouquet. It's almost done. Finally, we can tie with satin ribbon. You can match the color with the bouquet to make it beautiful color combination. Aha! Finally, you can enjoy the Mambo Jumbo bouquet. Are you ready to make the bouquet in your home? If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. And turn on the notification bell to keep updated with our videos. If you have any idea, please tell us in comment section below. Bye! Keep happy, healthy, and may peace be upon you guys!